Soil, soil, there are different types. Soil, soil, there are different types. Sand and clay, silt and loamy are all types of soil. Sand, sand, sand. Sand is light, warm and dry. Sand has low nutrients. Sand is made up of finely divided rocks. Sand is good for making building blocks. Sand is good for plastering walls. Sand, sand, sand. Clay, clay, clay. Clay is heavy and holds water. Clay has high nutrients. Clay is smooth. Clay is good for molding statues. Clay, clay, clay. Silt, silt, silt. Silt is light and carried by running water. Silt has sizes between sand and clay. Silt, silt, silt. Loam, loam, loam. Loam is mixture of sand, silt and clay. Loam has high nutrients. Loam is good for gardening. Loam, loam, loam. Now let us learn how to start a garden. Choose a plot of land for your garden. Fence the plot of land to prevent animals from eating your crop. Use a gardening rake to break up the soil. If needed, add some loamy soil. Use the gardening rake to level the land. Water your garden. Plant some seed and young plants. Water your seeds and young plants every day. See, our garden is now beautiful. Bye-bye.